fact, we are here. We are celebrating 19th Annual Caribbean Health Summit with Center for Multicultural Wellness and Prevention, who is celebrating their 19th annual. The Caribbean Health Summit started. Dr. Marie-José Francois, who started this committee to put on this event. The chair and the co-chair, Commissioner Bakari Burns and Anna Escamani, state representative, who co-chair this event or co-host this event. We are at the Dr. James Smith Center. So we are live. So if you hear music in the background, people are really enjoying themselves. People are networking, all on the tables, talking to providers, getting free services. So if you are at home watching this live, do come, stop by. We are at 1723 Bruton Boulevard in Orlando. The event is free. The services are free. So we want you to come out and come, just network. You know, get some free services. Get some free food, that is. And y'all know how I like free food. So come and network with us. Come get the services. As a mental wellness check, I'd like to ask everybody, how are you? How are you doing? So if you do need to speak with someone, so do stop by and come. As I'm sitting here, I am speaking with Enil. And Enil, welcome. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do, Enil.
Yeah. Well, my name is Enil Rodriguez, and I work for Bliss Health, and we're a sexual health clinic, an STD clinic. So we deal with HIV prevention, HIV treatment. We also do anything that is related to sexual health. We specialize on that. We provide mental health services, and we have an all-in-one, a one-stop shop, basically, where we do, you can see the medical provider. If you need treatment, you get out the same day with pills. We will soon have a pharmacy inside, and we also have mental health providers. We have a research department, and what makes us special is that we can see people with and without insurance, because I know that's the big struggle these days, that you don't have insurance and then you don't know where to go, or you lack of resources. So we try to help everyone, regardless of their ability to pay. We try to just try to help them out.
Where are you located?
We are on 2901 Curryford Road, Suite 106 in Orlando. It's kind of like the downtown part of Orlando, like Curryford and Bombay around area.
Definitely downtown Orlando.
Yes.
How does it feel to be part of this event this year? Is this your first time?
It's my first time. I mean, I know about this event for many years, but I never actually participated here. And when Bliss Health is the first time that we are here.
Okay.
So we love it.
Are you excited?
Yes, we have met a lot of good people, and we have met a lot of good connections.
That's what I was going to ask you. How's the network going?
I think that's what it's all about, the networking, and the people asking, what is Bliss Health, and we are able to tell them. And we actually met a few people that we never seen before, but we spoke over the phone. So they're like, oh my God, you're Enil, So I think that's what's good about this event, to
At
know
least
people
they're not confusing you with Emil, right?
Exactly, yeah, Emil and Enil, that's always the confusion, yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, Enil. Being your first time participating at the 19th Annual Caribbean Health Summit, what do you see what were you expecting, first of all? What were your expectations? And what do you see that you can do better for next year?
I mean, I've been in health first before, so I was expecting pretty much this because I've seen like the setup, but I mean, I love it, I think, it's always good to have maybe more parking space so more people can come here, because I know a lot of people, some people say, oh, I can't go, or they couldn't find parking, that's the only struggle. I mean, even though we were trying to tell people carpool, so you can make it here.
We do have carpool. We do have links providing free transportation.
Oh, they don't really?
Yeah, so if you are home, do know that Links is providing free transportation. With the flyer of the event, just get on the bus and come right here.
Oh, that's awesome to know.
Yes.
See, I learned something new now.
Yes. It's every year we try to do that. Every year.
Awesome, yeah.
We try to provide that.
Awesome.
Enil, anything new with Bliss? Anything that Bliss is doing that you would like to share with the community?
Well, I also forgot to, of course, and I work in the case management department, so we have care managers that they can help people with any type of needs, besides the access to medication, if they don't have insurance, we can help them out with the patient assistance program, so we can help them out with the cost of the insurance. If it's too much, we try to figure out how they can pay less, for medication, because some of them are really expensive. One thing that we always try to focus is that we tell people, don't be afraid of being sexual, don't be afraid of sexual health.
Don't be afraid to be you.
Yeah, exactly, because nowadays we have the privilege to have a lot of good medications, and nowadays everything is preventable, treatable, or curable. So you don't have to be afraid of exploring your sexual health. So the one thing that we're going to focus on is going to be talking about sex, because a lot of people, they do HIV testing, they do HIV treatment, but they don't talk about sex. And a lot of people do have concerns, women's health is a big concern,
People are just afraid and scared to do so.
Exactly, yeah. Nowadays, you really can have sex, without worrying too much about things. Of course, you have to get tested, and you have to get, screened for STDs, and that's the most important part, If you're sexually active, at least once a year, go and get tested for everything, Do all the swabs and everything you have to,
And the best part of this, the 19th annual this year, is making mental wellness your lifestyle.
Yeah.
It's saying a lifestyle, but we encourage each and every one of you, make mental health your lifestyle. And this is the way you come here and talk to people, talk to the providers, talk to someone. Don't be afraid to be you. Don't be afraid to talk about sex. Don't be afraid to talk about mental health. This is your life, so make it your lifestyle. Enil, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Words of encouragement for next year.
We're gonna make this bigger and stronger, and more people too.
Yes.
We need more providers. There's a lot. Orlando, we have everything. And I think sometimes you don't see everyone in the community. So that's what we're trying to do. The same thing, to be part of it, because for so many years we haven't been part of it. So
I would like to see this at the convention center.
Definitely, that would be amazing. That's what we need to strive for, and we can probably do it.
Okay.
So let's invite everyone.
I guess this is my new line, because I'm in the committee. I'm part of the committee that hosts this. So that's my new line for Dr. Francois. We're going to shoot for the Orange County
Convention Center,
Convention
yeah?
Center.
No issues with parking, huge, and we can do way more. So definitely.
So we need you as providers to make this happen. Your sponsorship is important. Your participation is important. Your partnership is important.
And speak up.
Yes.
That's what it's all about,
Enil.
speaking
Yes,
up.
it
All right,
is.
thank you.
It is. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Bye.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back. As you know, mental health, make it your lifestyle. Do not stay home by yourself. Do talk to someone. And when you do ask someone, how are you doing, you mean it. And then do wait for their response to tell you how they are doing. So we have organizations such as Bliss Health, who is here for that services, case management services, health education. Do talk to someone. That's what's important. Do not be home. Be you. Stay tuned. This is your girl, Natasha Wiley, and I will be right back.